Hey artists, welcome back to Tharwat's Pencil Art. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a realistic ear step by step using only pencil shading. Let's jump right in. I'm starting with an HB mechanical pencil to sketch the outline. I always prefer to begin with clean, light lines to define the structure before moving into the shading. Next, I move to the Staedtler 8B pencil, adding soft textures and building the shadows. I also began shading some background here to help the ear stand out with more depth. Now I gently blend the tones to smooth out the transitions before continuing. Here I'm using the Staedtler Black pencil, focusing on the darker areas to sharpen the contrast and shape. I switch back to the 8B pencil to work on the lighter parts, especially where soft shading helps define form without too much pressure. For the final highlights, I use the Mono Zero eraser. It's a great tool for picking out small light spots and giving the drawing a more realistic finish. If you're enjoying this content, feel free to subscribe or share this video with someone who loves drawing too. I'd love to know, which facial feature should I draw next? Let me know in the comments and I might feature it in an upcoming tutorial.